Pop On Veneers has given me my life back. Found them on TikTok, went on their website, read what they were about and read the reviews. I did not think I qualify. I have cavities and missing teeth, but I went ahead and started with the process anyways. I messed up on the first impression kit when they mailed it to me, so I got a second one, and within a couple of days of mailing my second impression kit, I got an email saying I qualified. It took them only 1 week to get everything ready and for my veneers to come in the mail. This is what it looks like. I got the molds to my teeth, a toothbrush and dissolving packets to clean your veneers. Finally, my veneers. I got the natural white. I can laugh, I can talk, I can smile confidently. Thank you so much for giving me my life back. You will not regret Pop On Veneers.